Are you staring at a blank screen, wondering how to write the perfect statement of purpose for your study abroad application? Don't worry, you're not alone. Because for many Indian students, the SOP can feel like the hardest part of the application process. But here's the good news, your SOP isn't just a requirement, it's your chance to tell your story and make the admissions team say, this is the student we need. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to craft an SOP that stands out. Whether you're applying for a master's in finance, data science, or public health, I'll help you create a document that speaks to your unique strengths. So let's get started. But before we start, I want to share that I have helped students get admissions to top universities such as University College London, King's College London, Durham, and many more. And I can help you realize your dream to get to your dream university. All you have to do is click on the link in the description to start a WhatsApp chat with me. Now, back to the video. Hi, I'm Manil and welcome to the channel. Today, we are tackling the SOP, a document that's more than just a list of your achievements. It's your chance to explain why you're passionate about your field and why you're a good fit for the university and how their program aligns with your goals. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to structure your SOP, what to include, and what are the mistakes to avoid. Plus, I'll share relatable examples that make it easier to write. Ready? Let's go. Step one, start with a memorable hook. The introduction is where you grab the reader's attention. Don't start with something like, I have always been interested in computer science. That's too generic. Instead, use a personal story, an eye opening experience, or a defining moment. For example, if you're applying for a master's in data science, you could start with something like, during my third year project, I built a machine learning model to predict rainfall patterns, which helped local farmers plan their harvest. That experience not only deepened my love for data, but also showed me how technology can make a real world impact. This makes the reader curious about your journey and sets the stage for your story. Step two, highlight your academic journey. After the hook, move on to your academic background. This is where you show how your studies have prepared you for the program. For example, if you're applying for a master's in finance, mention specific courses like statistics, mathematics, or economics that sparked your interest. If you worked on projects like building a portfolio analysis tool during your BCom, talk about that. But don't just list your subjects. Instead, connect the dots. How did your coursework inspire your interest in the field? How did it prepare you for advanced studies? Make it clear that your academic journey is aligned with the program. Step three, showcase your practical experience. Universities love students who've taken what they've learned and applied it in the real world. This could include internships, part time jobs, freelance projects, or volunteering experiences. For example, if you're applying for public health, mention your volunteer work at a healthcare camp in rural India. Talk about the challenges you witnessed and how they motivated you to pursue a career in healthcare. If it's an internship, focus on what you contributed and what you learned. For instance, instead of just saying, I interned at a financial firm, say, during my internship at XYZ Financials, I developed a risk assessment tool that it reduced errors by 15%. This shows impact and initiative. Step 4, explain your career goals. Now it's time to show the admissions committee that you're thinking ahead. Divide this section into two parts. One, short term goals. What do you want to do immediately after graduation? Maybe you want to work as a data analyst for a global tech firm or join an NGO addressing public health issues. Two, long term goals. Where do you see yourself in 5 to 10 years? For example, you might aspire to become a public policy expert influencing global healthcare or a financial strategist in a Fortune 500 company. Universities want to know that you have a clear plan and that their program is a stepping stone to your aspirations. Step 5, show why this university is your dream choice. This is a section where you prove you've done your homework. Explain why you've chosen this specific university and program. For example, if you're applying to the University of Toronto for data science, you could say, I'm particularly excited about Professor John Doe's research on predictive analysis and its application in healthcare. I believe his work aligns perfectly with my goal of improving public health outcomes using AI. Mention specific courses, faculty members, research opportunities, or even student clubs that resonate with your goals. This shows you're serious about the program and not sending a copy paste SOP. Step 6, end with confidence. Finally, your conclusion should leave a lasting impression. Reiterate your passion for the field, your readiness for the challenges of the program, and your excitement about contributing to the university's community. For example, you could say something like, I am eager to bring my perspective as an Indian student to your diverse campus and learn from the years of experience of my peers. I'm confident that my academic background, professional experiences, and passion for this field will allow me to thrive in your program. This sends a strong, confident message that you are ready to take on the opportunity. Before we wrap up, here are some common mistakes you must avoid. One, writing a generic SOP without tailoring it to the university. Two, overloading it with technical jargon that doesn't add value. Three, ignoring proofreading. Spelling and grammar mistakes can ruin your chances. Take your time to refine your SOP and ask mentors like me or peers to review it. Your SOP is your chance to shine. It's where you can show admissions committees that you're more than just grades and scores. A great SOP can turn an average profile into an outstanding one. So take the time to make it personal, authentic, and impactful. Now you've heard me, it's your turn. Start by brainstorming your experiences, goals, and why you're applying to your dream university. Take it step by step and don't rush the process. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on studying abroad, scholarships, and applications. If you've got questions about your SOP, drop them in the comments below and I'll personally reply. Good luck and see you in the next video.